So people want lives without problems. I don't understand why. Um, they want a peaceful life, right? They go to guided meditation sessions and fucking, they watch motivational videos. They do fucking petty exercises on how to stay happy and shit. But the point is, happiness, I think, itself is a problem. Okay, you can't have a life without problems, and that's, you know 90% of people aspire to. They want a life that doesn't have any problems. Okay, they wake up in the morning in front of the mirror and they fucking say, I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy, and then they fucking, they, these petty exercises and stuff. These gurus tell them, the gurus that they follow, they tell them to do that shit. But the point is, you can't have a life without problems. Either you're poor or you're rich. Okay, there are only good problems and bad problems. Okay, the problems just, you can say, just upgrade. Okay, poor people have money problems. All right, rich people, business people are often, fuck ups in their personal lives, because there's nothing else in their life that has more importance than their business. You know, so you can't have a life without problems. That's the topic of the day. So don't expect a life without problem, boys. Expect a life of problems. Expect a life of better problems. Fuck happiness. Why do you want to be happy anyway? Why do you want to be happy? Why? Listen, you're gonna die one day, alright? And I know that's kind of obvious. You're gonna die one day. And everyone and everything that you know will vanish. Everyone that you know whose opinions you care will die. So do you. So what's the matter anyway? I was the same way. You gotta change. Nothing changes if nothing changes. Don't chase happiness. Alright? You don't wanna be the most popular guy in the group. Alright? You don't wanna be the most famous guy in your college or university or whatever. You don't wanna be the most respected. Okay? You earn those things by actions. Alright? That's why having something bigger than you is important. Something that like Mark Zuckerberg had Facebook. Alright? That was bigger than him. Fuck you. Give a fuck about something that is greater than you.